Hello guys, in this video I will try to give you a practical way to see the prices after the market close or before the market close, because a lot of people they send me emails, they say why we don't see the chart after the market close, although the stock is moving up or down, but why we don't see it? It is just in the custom that the regular charts, they only show you from 9:30 a.m. in the morning to 4 o'clock. But if you go to if your broker has a chart, it can give you the after hours or before hours. Now, right now I will show you how to check the price of any stock after market hours or before the market hours. Is no difference. So I will just show you. So please just look. I will give you one good way, which is an exchange, and it will show you this. Okay, so let's go to that one. As you can see, okay, we are at nasdaq.com. Nasdaq.com is an exchange where we have thousands of stocks. Now, let's say we put Facebook. We click that Facebook, and we just get, okay, we just get the price. Now, so this is what you see here in the middle. In the middle is Friday. Okay, so Friday, 15 June 2018. Okay, now from this blue line that you see here, the vertical line, you see the beginning of the day, and then you see here this, it's 4 o'clock. All this is one day. Now after the one day, after 4 o'clock, it begins what we call after hours. Now if you change your cursor like this, let's say here I give you this information. The close of today, which is Friday, 15 June, is what we see with PCL, price close, which was $196.81. But now at 4:40, the stock is $195.83. So it's almost $1 down. And you see all the okay, all the hours until the end, until here, let's say here 7:56. It shows you 195.65, which is this price that you see here. This is where the stock now. Okay, it means at the end, it means as I told you, 7:56 the trade has stopped. Okay, this is on Friday. So this is what we call the after hours. So in order to see always how the market works, it always gives you what did happen after the market close. It's going down or going up, and this here is what happened during the day. Now this here, it is on Thursday. Okay, Thursday, you can see 8:41, 8:08, 7:42, and you can see it begins here at let's say here 6:53 in the morning, the stock begin to trade. Okay? So this is the pre-market. This is what we know, the chart that we know, which is the day. And this is the aftermarket. Why the stock has gone $1.16? Someone has sold a lot. I just check. I will show you. Someone has sold at 4 o'clock, 1 minute, 263,000 shares. And someone has sold before him. It could be a mutual fund. At 4 o'clock. Where is the 4 o'clock? Yes. 5,011,909 shares. That's why this, it could be a mutual fund because it is a lot of shares. 5 million at 4 o'clock. That's why the price has gone so down, like $1. From 196.81, it goes to 195.85. It means in one trade at 4 o'clock, the price has gone $1 because someone has sold 5,011,199 shares. Now, if you want to see in other way, you can click here on the left side, after hours code. You click that. Okay? It will give you this. So, the last trade, it is at 7:58 p.m. 43 seconds. And the price was 195.60, and the guy has maybe bought or sold 80 shares. So you can go down and down. This is 7, and then you find 6, which is 18:45, which is 6 o'clock, 45 minutes, 8 cents, and you see how many shares are bought or because listen, the volume, it doesn't show if it is bought or sold, but it is the whole volume. The volume, it means the shares bought and sold, and you see how much is sold or bought, but it is just in a number: 1,000, 4 shares, 500 shares, 8 shares, 15 shares. Some people are beginner here. They buy, for example, 5 shares, 4 shares, 1 share. Who can buy 1 share? This is just beginners trades. As you can see, 41 shares, 3 shares. Some people, they are beginner and they are just trading like this. I don't know. They might be losing a lot of money. So this is just to show you, okay? To show you how you can see the after hours or the pre-market code, just to understand where is the stocks. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Please, I'm always trying to give you solutions to your problems. It means whenever something you want or you don't understand, please send me a private message. This is the best because I get a very quick answer to you. Or you can comment on my videos and I will try to answer your questions. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you.